Nakaliang gibubon gipai parang susunod kaya katati minda don super interest dari pela mo.
Following uproar of over 40 residents of Meri village under Mairang constituency in eastern West Khasi Hills were denied the right to exercise their franchise for the KHADC election on Friday, unaware that their designated polling station had been changed. Eastern West Khasi Hills District Deputy Commissioner Anita Karpoor issued a clarification stating that the polling station had to be relocated due to the deteriorating condition of the school where the polling station was set up on earlier occasions. She insisted that all residents were informed of the change.
Kita vote ki bahasa halat Meri nong kete mau sawa ding shit. Dia baros kata kita vote haka polling station kabarik. Henry ketua school kala nang jot ki basic facilities kum ka kalat ru kala long challenging hang tu te nakapor ka sarkar ka syat le assessment ya ki polling station barok ki dang bit dang biang ne ban pen ne ki la yo approval na ka ECI bakin shift no mo bakin relocate no shakaneka nokte manai LP school